Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel where we can have a very quick update for Litecoin. And before we're gonna start it, please make sure to read the disclaimer that I'm gonna post. Thank you. Hi and welcome back. So this is our previous chart for Litecoin. We have our update on this price right here, wherein I shared that I DCA Litecoin again since I saw a bounce on our support. Anyway, unless it will break out at our major resistance at this weekly bearish OB around 113 to 129, then it can just continue to play around this range with a support at our yellow line. We also have another chart for Litecoin wherein we talk about its past performance during the year 2020 Bitcoin halving. And for now, it looks like this range is identical on what it is having right now. So let's wait for a breakout right here. As for me, although it looks like Litecoin is being ignored, I am bullish for it long term and I'm really curious on how it can evolve, proving its value over time as a medium of exchange, just like Bitcoin. For this bull run that we're gonna have, I'm having a $1,700 target. You may also comment what is your target for Litecoin, while for our FAs, we have the spot Ethereum ETF approval, where expectations suddenly shift from not being approved to being approved by this week. Tomorrow, we're gonna have FOMC minutes. This can also cause volatility. So if you are trading on a leverage, have your own stop loss and be diligent in your own risk management. Additionally, the floor is set to vote for FIT 21. This bill would clarify on whether digital assets comes under the jurisdiction of the SEC or the CFTC. This week is definitely interesting since it will determine on where are we going the following months. And again, since it's gonna be volatile, if you are trading, always have your own stop loss and be diligent on your own risk management. For now, that's it for our short-term support and resistance on this level. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have some coins for me to chart. Click the notification bell so you will be updated on new videos that I'm gonna upload. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.